Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. You probably saw in a previous video where I mentioned I bought a Shoei RF-1200. It's actually the dedicated RF-1200 that has the graphics with the American flag. Love this helmet, fits awesome. I'm going to set it up for motovlogging in this video. So let me show you some of the things that I have to set up the motovlog. So let's take a look. All right, so I chose a mount by RideTech. They're a company based out of Canada. This is the mount, and here is the adapter for the mount. And of course, you've probably heard of the purple Panda. I've been using this for a very long time, well, less than a year now, actually, and I've never had any problems with it. This is a 360 adapter that you can obviously turn 360. And I may or may not use this depending on what kind of visibility I get over my fairing on my street glide. Here's my GoPro 7. I also have a GoPro 8. I mainly use the GoPro 8 on my helmet, and then this 7 will be on, could be on my engine guards, could be on my handlebars, could be on my luggage rack for just different angles. And this is the Ulanzi adapter, which allows you to put, excuse me, the Ulanzi case, which allows you to put the GoPro adapter inside so you don't have to stick it on the side of your helmet. I personally don't like that. I like a more cleaner look, and I'm hoping this will be a cleaner look with this setup. Typically, I would have an arm coming off to the side and then holding the GoPro. Today, I'm gonna do a chin mount. So let's go ahead and get this open up. We won't need that adapter just yet. This actually comes with a alcohol swab, which is actually really nice. Don't typically see that with some adapters you find, which honestly is something you get on Amazon. But the idea here is this adapter, excuse me, mount is specifically made for the Shoei RF-1200. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the alcohol pad, just kind of scrub it down. Put this on as center as possible. That looks, as you can see, the curve. That looks pretty darn center to me. So what I'm gonna do is let that sit for 12 to 24 hours, and I will be right back to show you probably the next day to show you the rest of the motovlog setup. So I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna get the purple Panda mic ready for the helmet. What we're gonna do is take the jack of the mic, which is, this is called the 3 lines is a TRRS jack, and we're gonna plug it into a TRS jack, which is the 2 lines. So here's the adapter for that. You can see. So this is gonna go into here. Also, I'm gonna be using gaffer tape. I saw where other people use this as well, so I used it in my last one. It works really well, very sticky. Obviously I got a lot here. I don't use it for anything else. So you got to start by taking the insides of the helmet off, the cheek pad, which is pretty easy. I'm just take a piece of the gaffer's tape. It's really easy to tear. And I am, whoops, sorry if this is shaking the camera a little bit, but what I like to do is just kind of line that up, that sticking in there as best you can. It's pretty sticky stuff, and I might have to adjust this. I like to give myself a little bit of movement with it. All right, as you can see now, I've gotten everything kind of buttoned up. Use that gaffer tape, and I got the mic right here. And this is just something you're gonna have to adjust as you wear it. And I will plug this in to my GoPro once I get it on here. So it's pretty clean. I don't have any wires touching me. I can see a little bit of wire there, but where this padding is, I don't feel it, so that's okay. So let's get the mount out. Excuse me, the adapter, not the mount. So this is what it looks like. Just kind of adjust as you want to. And it will go, whoops, just like so. And this, let's test this out real quick. And there you have it. Just plug the mic in, and that is nice and clean. Much better than what I had previously. You can see how far it sticks out. Like I said previously, I have this 360 adapter. Depending on how it looks on the bike, what kind of visibility I have, I may switch this out. So let's go for a ride. All right, hopefully this turns out okay. I think I got the GoPro where I needed it to get good visibility. I ended up using my 360 adapter just to give it a little bit more height. This is actually my first time actually motovlogging this year. February, March was, as a lot of you probably know, was a lot of cold weather and snow. So I think this will probably turn out pretty good. I really like the real clean look to it. But I don't want to make this too long. Just want to get a good visibility. Hopefully it turns out pretty good. Hopefully the audio still looks good. I mean, it's no different than my last helmet setup. Using the same mic, same settings for the GoPro. I didn't change anything, but you never know, gotta have to tweak things. I did tweak a few things in the helmet to make it fit a little bit better. But we'll see. I love this helmet. So far it's been great fit. Love the way it looks. But again, I'm gonna end this right here. Please like, share, and subscribe. And always rip the rod. See ya.